fix this LCD screen on the phone. Yeah, so that's it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. What's up guys, and in today's video we are going to talk about hey guys, what's up? And I know it's been a long time and I haven't been posting regularly about anything, but in today's video, prior that, let me tell you this. My name is Viraj and this is my channel. I mostly do everything. I try to cover everything on my YouTube channel, like gaming, sometimes gaming, technical reviews, vlogs or anything of that sort, and most probably about photography and photography equipment. So this is the light which I'm using. That's a ring light by Digitech. I got that delivered yesterday in 2 pieces. I forgot to order a combo, and that's why I had to order the stand. So this is how I'm using this. Like, you know, normally people use it to mount it in the light itself, but I would recommend otherwise, because you don't want to get those rings out there. So that's the reason, that's the only reason why I would just recommend the opposite of it. Just get a tripod for your camera or your phone, or use some different type of tripod like a gimbal mobile tripod or something, but don't use the tripod which is provided in the light itself, because that's highly delicate, I feel, and I don't want to risk my camera. I would tell you this, that this phone had got screwed up, heavily screwed up by me. And look at this, the LED itself has got out somehow, and no mobile repair shop in Pune, where I live, are ready to work on this. They are just charging a bomb. And so I thought of just repairing this myself. I went on to the stores, checked an expensive, over expensive phone above 1 lakh, which is released apparently with the best camera ever in the world.
A new and improved Pro camera system makes the 12 Pro the photographer's iPhone. The larger iPhone 12 Pro Max takes these innovations even further. Make iPhone 12 Pro the most powerful iPhone ever.
Best camera ever. But what I would do instead is I would try to fix this guy up and with myself, because no one is willing to fix this for me. And then I tried to search for the glue. Okay, so now the important part, the super glue won't work for this. You need a special sort of glue, which is this T8000, E8000 or B7000, E7000. So any of these will work. So this glue itself will fix this up. Okay, so it's not that the phone won't work nicely because of super glue, but you can absolutely screw up the internals of the phone, like, you know, glass and LCD stuff. Something might go wrong. So I have decided to just get this thing going on. And in the meanwhile, while I do that, I'll show you the entire process, how I would fix this. I ordered this off from Amazon, and for the links of this, check out the description and also read it. So there are some links of this product which you can order if you are stuck in the same fucking position which I am. This phone is screwed up, and because of that, it just types anything randomly. I can't use it. So let's jump on to the... So I've already removed this from the glue from this, and this is a T8000. Alright, so this is my phone, which is, you can just see the glass from here. Okay, so this glue itself will fix this. Any other glue won't ever do anything to this, because it will just screw the phone up. Alright, so let's shut the phone down. The phone is off. And let me remove the cover. Okay, there's no battery to be removed, so we won't have anything else to do. And the glue drying time is around 3 to 6 minutes as claimed, but moreover I can have to put this around for 10 minutes something. These are some of the screwdrivers I'm going to use, but these I'm not going to disconnect anything from the phone. And by far this thing has happened because of me dropping the phone, nothing else. Alright, so check this out. Yeah, so we all have to line up the glue properly and press it, because this technology is just press fit. Okay, some earbuds for cleaning the excessive glue. That's it, let's get started. Check this out. The most dirty way I am doing it, but then I'm just cleaning this out with fucking magic. I think this is done. Let's check the phone if this boots up. Voila! It did boot up. I'll do the cleaning. I think phone is functioning quite well, but you know what, it's not stuck yet properly, so for that once again do it nicely. So guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and thumbs up. If you don't, you can dislike the video, and I'll try to upload some or the other DIY shit which I do and I almost fail at it, I'd succeed at it, I don't know, but just go ahead and press the like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you like this shit, or else you can just move on to another creator, man. I mean, there are so many creators. That's it.